Hi, my name is Amber Wood, and I'm a team member of the Wheels and Wings team. I will be discussing implementing iReady for the Stanley County School District. iReady is an online program, and it provides individual instruction for students. We wanted the school district to adopt this program because it is a supplement to what teachers are already doing, and the teacher is a key component of the program, and so it isn't meant as a replacement for teacher-led instruction, but merely a support and another piece of data to use to try and close some of the achievement gaps. Our scenario is described below. Stanley County school system is a very rural district serving about 8,445 students between 22 schools. One key portion here that I wanted to point out is that 17% of families are below the poverty line. There are 1,569 students that are currently on an IEP or individualized education plan, meaning that they in some way need extra support. And the math proficiency and ELA proficiency rates are at 58% and 54%. The goal is to increase those numbers and to close gaps between some of these different ethnicities that we are seeing. The district wants an individualized program so that students can reach the goals and be met where they are without causing more stress and more work for the teacher. We chose the program because it's a highly engaging material with individual data that the teachers can then take back and use to guide their instruction. The technology indicator is that candidates demonstrate the knowledge necessary to create, use, assess, and manage practical applications of technologies and processes. And this would happen through the people, processes, physical infrastructures, and financial responsibilities. We're using this TAM2 model to encourage the acceptance of iReady and trying to incorporate the relevance that it brings, in demonstrating the results and the high output or the high quality that it also provides. And with these things being viewed by the teachers and educators and those that will be using the program, and they see the usefulness of it, then that will lead to a better attitude and then the behavior and actual use of the program in a regular basis. And the way that we will apply the model are through these 4 different components. And by people, we mean the county office will be sharing the administration first with the administration of each school, and then that information would be shared between staff to students, and then lastly to parents. With training, the training would be presented by a county office and 2 department leads, which would then lead to instruction about the program and how to use it properly from lead teachers and then to the rest of the staff at the different school levels. The physical infrastructures, all grades 3 through 12 in Stanley County schools are on a 1-to-1 device initiative, and grades K-12 are on a 1-to-10 device to student ratio, and there will be 100 hotspots provided for any of those who are in need or have no internet access. The district will also purchase a license to versus individual schools purchasing separately to save with financial resources. A hugely important part of the process is the evaluation step, and to determine the effectiveness of the program, we're going to rely on Kirkpatrick's model of learning evaluation. And with this theory, the following 4 components would be analyzed, being reaction, learning, behavior, and results. And in our scenario, we evaluate the reaction from students and educators, the learning data, behavior of both students and educators, and the difference in achievement scores after implementation of iReady. To conclude, we think this implementation will be a success by including management of people, processes, physical infrastructures, and financial resources. Below are the references we used for this project. Thank you for listening.